Hello guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. As you can see, I'm so tired, I'm so relaxed, like I just cannot be bothered. But I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make this video today. So I decided to make a video on how you can do a YouTube intro on your mobile phone. So you don't need you don't need loads of apps for this. I'm gonna be using just one app, my favorite app, VLLO. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this app to show you guys how you can make an intro for your YouTube channels and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you do, please remember to like, comment, share, save it, wherever. But yeah, let's just jump right into this video. So I'm going to start by using the color splash image on Google. So I found this on Google and I'm just downloading that and saving it onto my phone to use later on. And then afterwards, I go to PixArt to edit the headshot that I want. You can use your logo for your video, but I'm going to be using this headshot. Now I'm just cropping out my face so that I can take out the background because I want to use a different kind of background. And I'm just erasing the parts that I do not need for this picture. After that, I'm going to be using the shape crop tool. So I'm going to be using the circular shape because I want it to have this circular effect. Reduce the borders and then save it as a sticker. Now I'm going to be looking for a free photo, so you can find any background that you want. So I'm using this background and I'm going to insert the sticker into it. Using the shape crop tool, I'm going to be cropping it again into a circular shape. And then once that's done, I'm just going to save it and get ready to use it for my video. So on the VLLO app, I'm going to be creating the video. So I'm going to go to create video. I'm going to choose a blank screen. So I'm going to be using the YouTube aspect ratio because it's going to be a YouTube video. And then I'm going to increase the duration. So I'm going to make it like 10 seconds, which I think is decent enough. Afterwards, I'm going to be changing the background. So I want white background. So you can use any kind of background that you want. But I'm going to be using the white background. So just click on done. And then using the PIP feature, go to image. And then you can import the color splash image that you've downloaded from Google. So just arrange this as you want it to be. So you can just customize it as you want basically. But I'm going to reduce the opacity as well to like 90 because I like it that way. And then I'm going to be increasing the time. So I want it to be on for about 5 seconds. So I'm just going to arrange that. And then I'll go to animation. And then I'm going to animate it to zoom in. Let me increase the time a little bit so that the zoom can be sort of like smooth. And then the animation out, this is how it's going to leave the screen. I'm going to animate it to zoom in as well. So it leaves the screen that way. Now I'm going to move the cursor, the controller to the start of this video. Go to picture in picture again, image. And then I'm going to click the image that I made on PixArt. So I'm going to arrange the time of the image to start from the same time as the background and end at the same time. So now I'm just going to be customizing it. I'm going to arrange it as I see fit or as I want. Reduce the opacity as well. Okay, I'll just make it this way. Then just adjust it as you want. And then animation is going to be zooming as well because I want them to zoom in, coming at the same time in the same direction. And then the animation out will be zoom in as well. So let me show you. So the zoom in at the same time. And I'm going to move the controller a little bit forward. So this is where I want the text to come in. So this is going to be the title. So my text is going to be Abi Niger. So this is my username. So you can use your username whatever it is that's the name of your YouTube channel. And then I'm gonna go to fonts. So I'm gonna be changing the style. I'm gonna be changing the fonts. So on this app you have the opportunity to import your fonts. So I use dafonts.com and I downloaded this beauty font. So I have different fonts from that font actually. So I'm gonna be using this font. So I'm going to go to style. I'm going to change it because I don't want the outline. Actually, wait, let me change the color of the text to black and then change the outline to maybe white. And then I can reduce the size of the outline. You can add a background if you want, but I do not want that. And you can add a shadow if you want. I don't want a shadow, so I'm going to leave it this way. I'm going to change the color of the text to Okay, let's use this fuchsia pink. And then just arrange it as a one. So now I want it to stop at the same time as, the first two pictures. So I've moved the cursor to stop here, and I'm just going to adjust it. So I want them to stop at the same time. It can be quite tricky doing this. So 13 seconds. Oops. Oh, I think that's I think that's good enough. You know what? I'm just gonna move this to stop where the other one stopped. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the text now, and I'm gonna adjust the animation. So go to animation. I want this one to bounce in. You can use any kind of animation actually, but I'm gonna be using bounce in. So maybe reduce the time a little bit. Yeah. And then zoom in as the out animation, because I want everything to leave at the same time in the same direction. So let me show you. So that, then the name comes in. Yeah. So now I want to add a tagline. So this is going to be what it's going to show what my channel is about. I'm just going to arrange that. It's going to show what my channel is about. So I'm going to put a tagline a few seconds after the actual title. So go into text and then insert your tagline. So you can say fashion and beauty, fashion and lifestyle. I'm going to be using fashion and lifestyle actually. So just arrange that. I'm not going to be changing the font of this one because I'm quite happy with how I have. Yeah, animation is going to be slide right because I want it to slide right. I'm going to increase the time a little bit. And, sorry, oops. Animation out is going to be zoom in because they're all going to leave at the same time in the same direction. So now let's play it. And then that comes in. So yeah. Now I'm gonna move to the next slide. So this is where it's gonna show, your subscribe page, where your socials are gonna come in. So now we're gonna go to picture in picture again, and then go to image. So I'm gonna go to the album where I saved, pictures I need for this edit. So I'm gonna be using this PNG image that I got from Google. I'm just going to arrange that. So I want it to be on the side of the screen. So you bring it into the side of the screen, drag it to the end of the video, and animation. So I'm going to animate it to slide right. So it's going to come in from the right side. I'm going to reduce the time as well, so it's smooth. Now, I want my Instagram page to come in. So I did a screen recording of my Instagram page. And so I'm going to go into PIP again. I'm going to be picking video because I want to import the screen recording of my Instagram page. So this is just to give it some life. And I'm going to adjust that. I'm going to place it into the PNG image. And yeah, like I said, I want them to come in at the same time. Usually you can do this beforehand, so you can do them separately and then insert the whole video. But because I didn't do this beforehand, so I'm just going to arrange them in a way that they come in at the same time. So as you can see from this red line that they are on the same spot, and I'm going to move them in the same direction. So I'm going to animate the video as well to animate slide right. And then 7 seconds like the first one. Wait, was the first one 7 seconds? Hold on. Animation. Yeah, 7 seconds. So they're going to come in at the same time. Watch this. See? That's that. So I'm going to move the cursor a little bit forward. So now I want to bring in my, social icons. So now I go to motion stickers. And then there's so many stickers to choose from. So I'm going to go to my recents because I've done this before. So I'm going to pick my Instagram icon. So yeah, arrange them properly. Just arrange them as you want. I'm going to save that. Drag it to the end of the video. And then on the same spots, without moving the cursor, I'm going to click sticker again. And then bring in the Twitter icon. Because I have one username for everything, I'm just going to be arranging them on one line. Oops. I'm going to arrange them on one line so that I can just use my one username. If you have different usernames, then you can put them like one by one. on top of one another. But yeah, and going back to the same line, I'm gonna go to stickers again, and then maybe Snapchat. I don't use Snapchat that much, but let's just use this for now. But yeah, it's a bit tricky getting them on the same line. So now once you have them on the same line, you're gonna go to text again and then insert a text. So I'm gonna be using okay, actually, sorry. Go to text one more time and then using one of the default texts. I'm gonna be inserting my username at Binaija, and then you just put it underneath like so. And then you can just adjust the font. So I'm going to be using one of my imported fonts. So I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to change the color. So go to style, change the color to black. I don't want the shadow to come in. Yeah. Oops, too much. But yeah. So like I said, I want them to come in all at the same time. So you can see it's on the same line as the rest of the icons. So I'm going to move this to the end of the video. And animation is going to slide right as well. So they're all going to slide right. Yep. So watch this. Yep, that's that. And then moving forward a little bit, I'm going to be inserting stickers again. And I'm going to be looking for the subscribe me button. So this is one of my favorite things about VLLO. It basically has almost everything. So subscribe me button, and once that's done, I'm gonna be I'll move it forward a little bit because I want this to come in after. I'm gonna add another sticker of the bell icon. So that's it. Just arrange it, and animation to slide right also. Where is it? Well, oh, there you are. And then animate the subscribe button as well to slide right. So let's see again. Yep. So yeah, that's basically everything. If you want to add like a sound effect or a soundtrack, just go to audio, go to, background music. They have so many soundtracks. I'm going to be using one of the soundtracks. I'll use this one. Just going to insert that. Yeah. So you can say maybe you wanted to stop at some point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fade out the music. So fade it out. So yep. So now if you want like a sound effects, so maybe for the subscribe me button or the bell icon, go to sound effects, and then there's so many there's so many sound effects. You can use the whip sound, and for the bell icon they have some sounds. Oh, where are they? Okay, yeah, there they are. I'm gonna be using ding 3. So this would be for the bell icon, for when the bell icon comes in. So I'm just move it and then adjust it to start where the bell icons go. So see? So yeah, that's it. Once you're done, you just save the video. So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys have found it useful. If you need any help or have any questions, or maybe you're confused about something, just drop me a message or drop me a comment. I'll try my best to help you out. And yeah, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Also, guys, please remember to recommend whatever videos you want to see, maybe like tutorials or stuff. I'm happy to make tutorials for you guys. So yeah, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.